Whether you're watching this online video series, following along in the printed workbook, or both, this program represents everything you need to work through the F.I.R.E.S personal strategic planning system. It will guide you through the process of creating and implementing plans for the spiritual, external, relational, internal, and financial areas of your life. To create each one of these 5 plans, you'll use the 4-step model I previously introduced you to. As you will soon see, the whole system is laid out chapter by chapter and step by step in an easy-to-follow format. Essentially, this online course, or printed workbook, will ask you a series of questions, and you can record your answers in whatever fashion works for you. Now, many people use the spaces provided within the book to record their answers, while others prefer the online templates linked below. Still others will set a journal or electronic document aside for this very purpose. Just do whatever allows you to feel focused, organized, and inspired. Throughout this series, you'll also learn a lot about the latest research and thinking around the spiritual, external, relational, internal, and financial areas of your life. By introducing you to the insights and findings of innovative thinkers, you'll be inspired to dive even deeper into your reflecting and planning. The idea is to give you plenty to mull over as you answer the critical questions that comprise the F.I.R.E.S personal strategic planning process.